Today, I will show you our multifunctional pull-out unit. Now let's see the overview of it. It is made of SUS 304 stainless steel, anti-corrosion, and durable. It is a wide flat wire structure. It adopted European standard trivalent chromium chromed surface treatment, bright and durable. There are some scientific partitions inside. Easy and convenient storage. This basket is matched with soft close synchronous slide. Passed SGS 80,000 movement test, soft close pushing and pulling. The max loading of this basket is 30 kilograms, strong loading capacity. The bottom is matched with water tray, easy to clean. There is a door panel regulator, you can adjust it up and down and vertically. If you are interested in our product, please contact us.